Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I explained how can one get started with Postman and the basic intro to APIs. In this video, we are going to know about the Postman Student Expert program. So let's begin. So as you can see on the screen that APIs are the foundation of modern day software development and thus everyone should have the basic knowledge of APIs. With this aim in mind, Postman has a few of the programs for students, such as the Postman Student Expert, and the other one is the Postman Student Leader. So, in this, we are going to cover Student Expert program. As it says, elevate your software development and API knowledge to help you in your career. If you click on Learn More, so here you can see that what all things you will be getting as a Postman Student Expert. So you will be having the access to APIs and the Postman training created by the Postman team. You'll also receive a Postman Student Expert badge to showcase it online and everywhere you feel like sharing it. Next, you'll also get exclusive access to Postman meetups and events like the Postman Galaxy, which is the Postman user conference. You'll also get the invitation to the online Postman Student Expert Program community. So these are the things which you'll be getting as a Postman Student Expert. Now how to apply to it. So once you click on apply to be a Postman Student Expert, you will see a Google Doc over here and you need to fill the basic details about yourself like the email, your name, your country, college name. You should also mention the university website URL, course name, graduation year, and how did you learn about Postman? And why are you interested in becoming a Postman Student Expert? So you should fill this out like in a very detailed manner. Like why are you really interested in becoming a Postman Student Expert? You can mention those things like it will help you uh, learn new things and excel in your career ahead, and you can also mention that you'll help other people learn those things which you have learned. Similarly, you need to mention the on-campus clubs or any developer communities that you are a part of. So if you are a part of any, you can mention it here. And if you are a Postman user, select yes. And this then you can submit this form. So once you submit this form, so basically you have applied for the Postman Student Expert program. But okay, so that's the application thing. Now coming to what needs to be done. Okay, before moving ahead, I want to share one more thing. So as you can see, this is the Postman Student Expert badge you will be receiving after completing the training. So Postman Student Experts are the proficient in essential skills involved in building and testing API requests in Postman. So this is offered by Postman, as you can see. Okay, so what exactly is the earning criteria for this? So apart from filling the application, you should perform these many things to earn this badge. So build and successfully send requests in Postman like get, post, put, and delete. Declare and reference variables and different scopes. Edit documentation for a collection and writing basic test assertion scripts, and also run a collection passing data between requests and scripting request execution order. So these are the few tasks which you need to perform and which will make you eligible to earn this badge. So one more thing is that here you can see we issue open badges. So open badge, the benefit is that you can share it anywhere and you are not restricted to it. So okay, uh, now we are done with what needs to be done. But okay, so from where will I find these things and what exactly should I do? So for that, Postman has created a collection which you can find from the link in the description below. So once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page, and here you can see the student expert collection. Now from here you need to fork it in your Postman app. So once you click on fork, basically it will create a copy of that into your workspace. So here you can give any name. Let's say Postman Student Expert Training. So this will create a copy of this collection in your workspace, and you will click over here for collection. So as you can see, the fork is created and it will open your Postman. In the collection tab over on the left hand side, you can find Student Expert PST Training. Ignore the other three training folders because those are one which I had already done earlier. So this is the one which you can find. Once you expand this, you can see three folders inside it. The begin training, which consists of start training and the get matches, and the second folder which consists of scripting and collection runs, and third one which is basically the check progress. So you need to so open the start training one and click on send. So once you click on send, make a get request in this URL, you will receive a response. The response tab is located at the bottom of the page, as you can see over here. So once you receive a response, you'll have you should click on the visualize tab, and you'll have a detailed information as to what you need to do next. So in every of each one of these, you should follow the steps mentioned in the response. So that is how you should proceed ahead. Make a request, receive the response, follow the steps in the response, and accordingly progress ahead. So once you are done with all these things, the final step is the skill check one. So in this skill check, there will be a few tasks which you need to complete, and those tasks will be based only on the concepts which you have learned in the folders above. So once you finish all the tasks, you can see a green tick marks beside each of those tasks. After completing it, you need to test your collection and then finally make a submission. And the submission steps will be given in the response over here itself. So one very important thing to note here is you should be signed up on Postman with the same email ID as you had used while filling out the application form, because then only the Postman team can verify whether you have made a correct submission or not, and then they'll issue you your badge accordingly. So don't worry, even if you get stuck anywhere in between, you can post your query in the Postman community forum and you'll get quick responses over there. There's also a possibility that your question has already been mentioned over there. So first have a deep look if your question has already been asked. If it hasn't been asked, you can create a new question and then you'll get the response accordingly. Also, if you're wondering that okay, like how will I do these things, I don't have the basic knowledge, so let me remind you one more time that in my previous video I had explained how you can learn about the basic things about Postman and the introduction to APIs. So you can have those the information from there, and then you'll find these things really easy. So yeah, this was about completing the tasks, and once you have completed the tasks, they'll verify you and issue the badge within 1 week. So that is how you should do it. And one more thing I want like to share is my badge. So as you can see, here is my Postman Student Expert badge, which was issued to me on 23rd September 2020, whereas the badge was created by the Postman team on August 14. So I'm really proud to say that I'm one of the very few Postman student experts, and I was lucky to be a part of the first batch. So here are a few of the extra things that you can see over here: the share, download, and print certificate. So you can do all these things. If you click on share, you'll find the link which you can put it on LinkedIn and any of your social profiles. Here under social tabs, you can share it directly on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and anywhere. With the help of HTML tag, you'll be able to embed this batch on your website. Let's say you want this batch to be at the top of your portfolio website. So you need to simply copy this piece of code and paste it in your website code. And this is very, very easy. So this is how you can showcase your badges on various platforms. So apart from this badge, the main thing which you should focus on, that you will be getting the opportunity to learn new things about how APIs work and how you can use Postman in your day-to-day life. So this was all I had to share about the Postman Student Expert. So in the coming video, I'll be sharing about how you can become a Postman student leader. I'll attach all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, do like and comment on it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.